Why stains stick? The chemistry behind cleaning.
Stains can be tough because of the way molecules interact with surfaces. Grease, pigments, and tannins in things like red wine or coffee can bond tightly to fabric fibers or other materials. Understanding these bonds helps explain why ordinary soap or water sometimes aren't enough. Chemistry offers solutions by using common household products to break these stubborn bonds and lift stains away.
Red wine stains, science fact removal.
Red wine stains are notorious, but their pigments can be broken down. Sprinkle salt immediately to absorb as much wine as possible. Next, pour cold water onto the stain and blot gently. Mixing hydrogen peroxide and liquid dish soap, then applying the mixture, uses oxidation and emulsification to lift the color. Always test on a small spot first to protect fabrics.
Battling coffee stains with household ingredients.
The coffee contains tannins, which cling to fabrics. Blot up excess coffee, then apply a mixture of white vinegar and water. The acid in vinegar helps dissolve the bonds of the tannins. For stubborn marks, a paste of baking soda and water can gently scrub away remaining particles without harming most materials. Always rinse thoroughly and blot with fresh water afterward.
Grease stains, breaking down oils at home.
Grease stains are made of oily molecules that repel water. Sprinkle baking soda or cornstarch onto the stain to absorb as much oil as possible. After letting it sit, brush it off and use dish soap. The surfactants break down grease on a molecular level. Gently rub the soap in, wait a few minutes, and rinse with warm water for best results.
Tips for stubborn stains and safe removal.
Act quickly for the best chance of removing stains. Always blot, never rub, to avoid spreading the stain further. Use cleaning solutions in moderation and test them on a small hidden area first. It's important to check care labels and avoid mixing chemicals that could release harmful fumes. With a little household chemistry and quick action, most stains can be safely removed.